Good morning to all. Once again, I'm here with our English grammar. So, I know you all are studying at home, you're listening to your parents. I appreciate that, children. Okay, now today we are going to take same chapter which we have discussed in our previous video. That is, yes, that is verbs. Okay, yes. So, I have already discussed the definition of verbs. Okay. So, today we are going to cover the topic we have being verbs. Okay. And next is helping verbs. These two topics we are going to cover today. As we have discussed in our previous video, the definition of verb. You know the definition of noun? You should know. If you don't know, see my previous video and learn the definition of noun with example. Now, what is definition of defined adjective? You should know the definition of adjective with example with its kinds, with its kind. Okay, and you should also know you are in fourth standard the definition of verb, and today we are going to discuss these two verbs. So before that, first of all, tell me the definition of verb. Tell me the definition of verbs. Yes. Yes, the definition of verb is a verb is a word or combination of words that indicates action or a state of being or condition. Okay, or simply you can say verb indicates a action. Okay, verb indicates a action. A verb is a word used to indicate an action. This is the smallest definition you could describe the verb. A verb, I repeat, you also repeat after me. A verb is a word used to indicate an action. Okay, action can be anything. Action can be of speaking, writing, dancing, eating, drinking, crying, jumping. Okay, action could be anything. We have an example: jumping girl. Here, jumping is a verb. The baby sleeps. The baby, what the baby is doing? Baby is sleeping. The baby sleeps. Sleeps is a verb. The man eats a burger. What the man is doing? Man is eating a burger. The man eats a burger. So what kind of action man is doing? He is doing the action of eating anything. Okay, what he is eating? The man eats a burger. What is eats here? Eats is a verb. I have already discussed this. Again, I am taking a revision so that you should know the definition. Okay. Examples we have of verbs: laugh, jump, eat, sit, run, write, etc. Okay, so we have our first verb, that is being verbs. What is the first verb we are going to discuss is being verbs. A being verb indicates or identifies who or what a noun is. It means it identifies who or what a noun is. It means if you are talking about something, it identifies that. Identifies who or what a noun is. Was or will be. If I am talking about myself, my name is. I am talking about myself, So my name is what? So it is a being verb. It identifies about me. Okay. So is a being verb. He was a tall boy. What is was here? Was is a being verb. Same way, you can say easily the most of the thing, most of the being verbs are forms to be. If somebody asks you what are the being verb forms, you can say is, am, will, be, being, are, was, were. These are the being verbs which identifies a noun about what a noun is. Okay, as we can see here, I am a girl. The girl is saying, I am a girl. What is the noun here? Girl is a noun. It identifies a noun. So what is am here? Am here is being verb. Saroj is 12 years today. We are talking about a person. What is the name of the person? Name of the person is Saroj. Here Saroj is a girl. So Saroj is 12 years today. So today she is 12 years. So now Saroj is a what Saroj is here? Saroj is a noun because it is a name of a person. So Saroj is 12 years today. So is a being verb because it identifies a noun. Noun here is Saroj. It is telling about something as Saroj. We have Snow White and Rose had. The Snow White and Rose Red are characters in a fairy tale. Okay, Snow White and Rose Red are characters in a fairy tale. So Snow White and Red Rose is a name, so they are the noun. So these two are the characters in fairy tale, a fairy tale. So are here is a being verb because it is describing about a noun. Noun here is a Snow White and a red rose. Okay. It was too cold to go out for the party yesterday. So it is saying it was so too cold. It was too cold to go out for the party yesterday. So it was very cold. So was here will be being verbs. Okay. It was too cold to go out for the party yesterday. It was too cold. Now we have they were too young to perform this task. They were. It means it is talking about the people. The people here refers to they. It means if I am talking about the group of people, I will say they. Okay, so they were too young to perform this task. It means a task was given to them and they were too young to perform the task, to perform this task. So here were will be WERE. Were will be being verbs. Here were will be what? Were will be being verbs. So have you understood? Again I am repeating, being verbs identifies who or what a noun. It means what we are talking about, who we are talking about, the person, the name of the person. Okay, so with the helping of being verbs it is described. Being verbs are is, was, were, being, will be, okay, and verb, as you have seen here. So I hope you all have understood the being verbs. Now we proceed for the next, that is, first one is the being verb, second one is the helping verbs. Okay, what is the second one? Second one is helping verbs. So we have, what are helping verbs? Helping verbs define that there are some verbs which help other verbs do their work. They are called as helping verbs. It means some verb which help other verbs to do some work or to do their work. They are called as helping verbs. Okay, I repeat after me. There are some verbs which help other verbs. Some verbs which help other verbs. It means we are helping other people. Same way, when some, because the definition name itself says that helping, it means one verb is helping the other verb in their work, to do their work. So they are called as helping verbs. So let's see what are these helping verbs. We have, like, we can say together they make a verb group. Helping verb means, when, see, if I am helping other, how many people we have become to solve the situation? We have become two people. Same way, when one verb will help other verb, they will form a group. So together they make a verb group. They form a group. Like we have examples, we have, my father had played well. My father had played well. So here helping verb is had. So here helping verb is had. H-A-D, had. Our family is flying to US in March. Okay, so here the helping verb is. Mostly it will come in exam, that identify the verbs, identify the helping verbs, identify the being verbs. So you should know it. Okay, our family is flying to US in March. So here is helping verb. My father had played well. My father had played well. So here had is helping verb, because it is helping the sentence to be completed. Okay, so had is a helping verb. We have next, the police might arrest him. The police might arrest him. So here might is helping verb. H for helping, V for verb. You could come with us to the picnic. You could come with us to the picnic. What is could here? Could is a helping verb. Could is a helping verb. Okay. So repeat after me. The police might. Here might is what? Might is a helping verb because it is helping to complete the sentence. So the police might arrest him. Next is you could come with us to the picnic. Okay. Next we have they are working hard to achieve success. They are working hard to achieve success. What is are here? Are is a helping verb because it is helping. They are working hard to achieve success. To complete this sentence, are is a helping verb. So now tell me what we have discussed today. Today we have discussed about definition of verb. Different kinds of verb. From that we have discussed today being verbs, helping verbs. First one is being verbs. Next one is helping verbs. What are being verbs? Like is, am, are, was, being, will be, were. These are helping verbs. Okay, you can read the sentences and see from them. What are helping verbs? Had, is, might, could, are. They are helping verbs. Okay, so you have to learn these definitions. This is your homework. Write definition with examples. Okay, you have to write down this in your rough notebook. Write definition with examples. Verbs, action verbs, helping verbs, being verbs. Helping and being verbs we have discussed today. These two we have discussed today. Verbs and action verbs today also have discussed, and action verb I have discussed in our first video, previous video it means. So you have to note down, you have to write down these definition of these four things. Okay, with examples, and you have to learn the topics we have discussed so far. So hope you all will do this. Learn at home, use your time, stay at home. Okay, be happy. So take care. We will meet in our next class. Sai Ram.